there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and behind me I have my 3 pet rats, and with them is this hammock right here. This flamingo hammock is 3 layers, so you're gonna have the top layer and then 2 base layers for them to sleep in. So my rats love it. It is their absolute favorite part of the cage to lay in. Very often I'll see them all stacked on top of each other and their little heads poking out of one of the holes. It is the cutest thing ever. I really love how well made this hammock is. There are no issues with the actual clips. Sometimes with hammocks they tend to fray and fall from their little C-clips that attach it to the cage, but this one is really well made and doesn't appear to be anywhere close to possibly breaking apart in that way. So I really love how well made it is. I love how soft the fur on the inside is. My girls really love it. Again, it is their favorite place to hang out in the cage, and they have plenty of places to hang out. So I really highly recommend it if you also have small critters. I have 3 rats, but I'm sure that any kind of hamster or mice would also really enjoy that hammock as well. So check it out. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.